Guys, today I'm going to show you how to change Discord username on mobile. Let's get started. So first, let's open our Discord app in our phone right here, and what we want to do from here is simply tap on the top left of our screen where three horizontal bars can be seen right here, and we want to tap on our profile picture next on the bottom right of our screen, and from here we want to tap on account. And from here, we now have the option to change our username or display name. But in our topic, let's change our username right here. Let's say I want to change this one into Q right there. And from here, as you can see, now my name will be changed into Kiru number 9533. This is my tag. So if you want to change your tag, you might want to get Nitro first. And let's close it, and now let's hit on save. And now it will need your password to verify that you are the owner, so you would need to input your password right here. So after you have input your password, you can now tap done so that you can proceed. And from here, as you can see, we have now successfully changed our username. And if you want, you can also change your display name. In my case, I'll just change it into Kiru right here, just like that. And now all I have to do is tap on save, and it has now been saved. And as you can see, I have now successfully changed my username and also my display name. So that is how you change your username using mobile device.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.